Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Shit, I'm on mute. Fuck. Fuck. Sorry. Alright, sorry, I was on mute that whole time and I was talking
Order submitted.
about a bunch of stuff. I don't know what. Yes, I was on mute. Anyway, it's Monday, December 4th. I'm going to get this together. It pulled back up. NQ pulled back up for a second, but we can see that it clearly just continued dropping. We didn't get any kind of move that we wanted, so we're going to have to wait. I need to go live on TikTok because I'm still not live on TikTok yet. All right. Here we go. I put up my notepad. Let's see what happens here. We are YM Bold Zones is in a trade here. It's in a long. We'll see if that works out. I'll have to see. We don't have any reports today of any significance, so we're good there. We'll just see what happens here. Yeah, I was on mute. I was. If you don't hear me, maybe go out and go back in.
Target filled.
Who just hit target? Oh no, YM. YM down here hit target on the first one. Nice. We already have a lot happening today. So overnight, there were a lot of trades. I'm going to have to show you guys in a second. So just give me a minute to get everything situated. Hey, Kyle. What's up? Andon, good morning. Who's on YouTube? There's 27 of you on YouTube. Can you say good morning in the chat? I would love to say hello to you. I can't see who you are on YouTube. It just says how many people. So I honestly have no idea who's on there. This was exit. Yeah, so it's probably no money. I had to walk away from YouTube. It's lonely there. But there's actually like 27 people. They just don't talk. They're just all mute people. Oh, look at all these good mornings. Oh, good. People are hearing me loud and clear now. Hey, everyone. What's up? James, Jason, Adrian. I always want to I feel like I say your name wrong. Let me know if I'm saying it wrong. One Trust. Jurgen, Chris, Jackie, Jared, Kyle, Wilson, what's up? Oh, Kyle, are you making a YouTube now? Have you been also doing YouTube with OBS with your night streams or no? All right, so let's talk about what happened overnight. NQ Evening had a trade and hit full target. That was right here, hit full target. I made $200. The single contract is $100. And then we had some premium.
Order submitted.
Really nice premium. Oh, are we in NQ early on a long? ES early is in a long and NQ early is in a long. Let's see if we can push up a bit. And we wouldn't mind this move up also for the student play, but there is a large selling, like the market is really dropping here. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see if this works out or not. Hopefully we can move back up. But the market really, since Thursday, has just been... It dropped. It actually bounced on Friday. Came back up. Let's see if we can come back up here. We got to get back up this daily level at 57. See if we can do that. Our entry is at 78. That's disgusting. My whole platform crashed overnight, and my workspace is a save each day got erased. Nope. So, oh, Adrian, you can go to. There's a way to get it.
Order
so
submitted.
Your workspace that
Target filled.
Target filled on something. RTY went in a long 2 and it hit. So there's a way you can pull it. I can't help you right now, but it's saved on your actual computer. So all you need to do is go to Tools, and then you can load it. Like, you can load your old workspace or copy it in there. I'll help you later, but you can get it. You'll be able to get it. All right. That was a big move back, but let's see if we can push up here. We're going back up. ES is also in this long. ES will probably hit before NQ. Yeah. Today's a busy, busy day. Let's go, let's go. All right, ES is almost back up to entry. So RTY hit target, but we don't run RTY on Mondays, so that's not really something I care about. I care more about ES and NQ. Let's go, let's go. Let's push, push, push. 75, we need 75 for ES. Let's see if we can push up here. Yeah, perfect. That'd be great. Thank you so much. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day showing you my auto trading algorithm on the futures market. This is the S&P 500. This is the Dow. Over here we have the NASDAQ, and then we have gold up top. Let's go, ES. Push, push, push. You can do it. You can do it. We believe in you. Student charge. No issues. Oh, very good. Yeah, it's definitely, if you have some missing data from overnight on your charts, that's not a huge gap. It's really just Rhythmic. If you're using Rhythmic had a data issue. They supposedly, for some reason, data wasn't filling in from the market open, which is 6 p.m. to 7:30 or something like that. Or 8:30. I think it was 8:30. People were talking about it last night. So if for some reason you use Rhythmic and Apex and you see a huge gap on NQ and you see a gap on ES, those are not valid. There is a gap on NQ, but it's very small. It's 25 to 29. All right, ES is back up to entry. Let's go, ES. Push, 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 push. So this means that I'm long one contract. It's green, and one, meaning I'm long one. This is the active P&L as it's happening on the trade. As you can see, it's red, $12. Again, essentially back to entry. Now it's $0. Let's see if we can push up and hit 75, 75. That's what we need. We're very close. Go, 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 go. Go, ES. And then NQ is right behind it. So we're going to cheer for ES first, and then we're going to go over to NQ and cheer for NQ. Let's go, 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 go. One more point. 4 more ticks. 3 more ticks. 3 more ticks. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. If you want information about the auto trading algorithm or about manually trading with my group, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's on the screen. We go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 1 to 2 p.m. Every other week, we also go live in the evenings. So make sure you check us out. Give us a follow. Tap that screen. There's only 2,000 likes on TikTok. That is horrible. Jen's on here, but she had to put me on mute today. I think she's in a meeting or has something busy going on. All right, we need 3 more ticks. It keeps going to 75. We need to push a little more, ES. Just a little more. Push, 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 push. And then NQ, because NQ needs that push too. Because ES can help NQ out. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. I'd love to answer them. Here we go. Let's go, ES. Push, 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 push. I hope you guys had a nice weekend. It's Monday. Sometimes Mondays can be a little funky, so we just got to be patient. Give it some time. We had a huge week last week. Friday was amazing. All of that volatility is definitely something that we like. In this situation, we just need this little move up here. I have my T. YM range hit target. Yeah, so did RTY. Yep. All right, I need to also look at... I want to show you guys this from last night. These were 2 big wins. My members made like $950 off of that. I only made $300. Which one's in a trade now? Ooh, we're in a long on NQ waves as well. Or is that on visual? No, that's on visual. Never mind. Visual overnight made 170. Oh, and Jen owes me. Well, I'm on mute, so she can't hear me. I'm going to have to message her. She owes me a picture. I think she's going to do it this week. Hey, Ricky, what's up? Yep, just like last week. Let's do it. Oh, I need to pull up the testing sheet. So we have a testing spreadsheet, too, where myself, Jen, Brian run some stuff. And... oh, I need to do a new one. And I'm testing this visual setup for the premium members. We have so many things on premium now, the premium algorithms. It's honestly insane. Overnight with premium, we made $1,105. And that's with one setup taking a $600 loss. So if for some reason you didn't run that one, you're green like $1,700 when you woke up this morning, which is insane. Insane. Okay, leave that there. Clear this out. I'm going to put in the visual for overnight was 170. Cool. I think that's all so far. All right, let's push ES. Let's push, push, push. And then hopefully it helps NQ push a bit higher. I wonder if I move this up, it would probably show the other one. It would probably show... let's go, let's go, let's go. 2 more ticks, 2 more ticks, 2 more ticks. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Go, go, go.
Target filled.
All right, target hit on ES. Now we just need NQ to move back up. NQ's being a little more stubborn, but we might be able to hold. We're holding this daily level. See if we can get back up in this area in the 70s. This is essentially a low area from Friday. We'll see if we can move up here. So RTY, ES, and YM range all hit target, but again, I don't run any of those on Monday, so not as helpful. Okay, this is going to be on something else. I should put it on whatever this is, the 11:30, 102. Price is dropping. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. So NQ, we'll see what happens. It's red 600 here. Nothing else is trading right now. I don't love this. Do you see this move back here? Oh, I was also, one of my members uses Bookmap in addition to using, like, what I say in my course. Oh, there's one. I see it now. Okay, I have to scroll back. So I used Bookmap back in like 2020 or 20, and I like it, but it just takes up a lot of space on your computer. And I was also running TD Ameritrade at the same time, and it was too much. So I stopped using it, but he's kind of convincing me to maybe get back into using Bookmap. And see, now it's saying under current use, memory allocation is not sufficient. You can create a heat up. Like, that's another thing. Like, what time is this?
Order canceled.
1515943. Okay, NQ early took a loss, not a full loss, but a partial loss on the long, and now it's in short. Make sure your transition was smooth on that. Sometimes, I don't know, I feel like Rhythmic doesn't get that get that portion sometimes. I have a sharp pain in my left shoulder blade. Well, like right under my shoulder blade. All right, let's see if we can hit target on this short. So it had the loss, and now we're in a short. Down at 32, we're at 37 now. Let's go. And some of my students would probably pull this down to make up for the loss that they had. I'm not going to touch it because I just have to stay on top of the actual results. Back at entry. Do I have anything here? No, there's really nothing here until I have a daily level at 23. Yes, I do not trade forex or stocks or crypto, just futures, which we love. Anyway, and this is also probably why I don't use Bookmap, because I have no time to look at it. Like, it was actually looking pretty good around 9:40, but I definitely didn't see it, so that was a miss. Oops. What is this down here? Like a connection thing? Current utilization, 31%. All right, let's see if we can get to that 32. Thanks, Jen. Hi, good morning. There's like 60 of you on here. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30. It's currently 9:48 on Monday, December 4th. See if NQ can go down and just tag this. I'm trying to squish this, so... But then it's just making everything... I don't know. We're almost back at even here on NQ. Let's see if we can drop and hit that target. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I had a really nice weekend. And I'm going to play some pickleball later today. Not with the aggressive old people that are really, really good. But with my little one, we're going to play some pickleball after school. So I'm excited for that. I guess because this is just the low. That's why. All right, we're back in the 30s. See if we can get to 32. Somebody drilling something. Somebody's drilling something. That 75 was a nice rejection. See, that's really close to my bold line. My bold line gives me that same information. See, and this is why I don't feel like I need extra indicators. Like, Bookmap is essentially an indicator. It's not bad. I like it. And I definitely found it useful when I used it in, like, 2020. But I don't know if I'll have time for it. So instead of buying, like, the lifetime subscriptions, I did the monthly. And then I'll see. And if I really like it and I find myself utilizing it, then I'll probably do the lifetime. But
Target filled.
all right, target filled on NQ. That took a little while, but good there. So it had a loss, and then it had a win. Again, if you're one of my students, you're probably moving that target down a bit more. Where's the other thing? Up there. Someone's drilling something downstairs. Hi. What's up? What's up? All right, let me put that in the chat so people know. Oh, no, they had them. That's actually really nice, Evan. NQ early long. Nice. We got some eggs in the chat. Yeah, so we hit the second one. The first one was a loss. That's okay. It happens. Last week, let's see. NQ early was green every single day. So it happens. It happens. And we can make up for that with some of the other setups on the day. So no worries there, especially if you're in premium. If you're in premium and you woke up to $1,000 to $1,700, you probably shouldn't even be trading. I'm going to send this to John. If you guys have any questions, put them in the chat, please. Oh no, why? On which one? Where's 8:30? I guess here. Oh, is it 9:50? Oh, we're bouncing back up. Maybe we'll get another short on NQ early. That would be nice. If we can come back in this blue box. What did I say that price was? 950, 951. I want to compare it. Oh, they're probably one's a pullback and one's. I should put that on there. I'm not sure why I didn't. Looks like to 8:30. You guys hear that noise? All right. And it's not really wanting to go up today. Yeah, well, I just want it to go back up to this box so I can get another short. I'm not talking about taking a long. That's for sure. I am not talking about taking a long. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I have this on like milliseconds. This needs to relax. How do I reset this? Reset chart position. Oh, that looks better. No, that's not what I wanted. Time slices 5. Okay. Now let me pull this over. Okay, I wanted to go back to 8:30. That's what I wanted to look at. I'm gonna actually do the time slices as like 20 minutes. All right, so we're back in the box. If it can close here and then go back out, we can get another short. Let's see. I'm still trying to... I'm at like 9:30. I'm trying to go back to 8:30 on this damn book map chart. All right, I'm at 8:50. Let's see. 8:40. But it's crazy because the stuff we talked about, if you... Like, this is... Oh, did we close? I don't know. It's right at the edge. We'll have to see. If you're part of my mentorship, this is what I give you. This is a proprietary zone that I gave you. And if you noticed, right at 8:30, like you don't need an indicator to tell you this. You just take the short here because of what I've taught you. Right here at 60. Now this indicator that my buddy's like, you have to give it a try. It said, well, actually, I haven't even looked at it yet. I need to pull this up to go to it. And then I'll tell you what it said. 9:43. So it said to go short at 943, which is much further down. Like maybe if you weren't paying attention and you got alerted, okay, here, like 943, not that bad. But we got short here at actually more like 966, 965. I moved it down to 61. So you could have gotten short with me at 960. This indicator on Bookmap that I'm talking about, it was at 943. So that's 20 points. That's already $400 you're missing out on. Also, if you use my bold line, if you use the magic line, it told you to go short at 50. So all of my setups are even more ahead of the game than the Bookmap. But I'm not saying it's bad. It's just something I'm keeping track of. Because why should I pay for something monthly or at all if my setups are giving me better entries? You know what I mean? You just have to be paying attention. I went right back up to this daily level. So I guess we have to wait to see where this candle closes. Well, to see if this one actually will take another short or not. I'm not sure because this candle, it's like right on the edge. Oh, actually, no, it did close within. So if this candle closes below, this red candle, if we close below the box, then we'll get another short on NQ early. Or if it closes above. But we will see. It's 9:57. This is typically the time that we like to take a break. I have little tips and tricks that I give to my students that have just helped me over the years, like things that I've noticed while being a manual futures trader for the last 9 years, and giving that information to them because I feel like it could just help them not make the same mistakes that I make. Let me see if this is the same. Just got set up yesterday and ran NQ evening last night. It took no trades for me. Is that right? Nope. NQ evening took one trade, and it was a win. A full win. I'll show you. It was here. It was a full win. It got in the trade at 22:30. So did you have it set up by then? Maybe you didn't have it set up in time. We're gonna get another short here. I think. Oh no. Did I see this candle correct? I don't know. We're on the edge. Or is that a full body? Remember I was looking at this a second ago. We'll see. We'll see if we get this in 1 minute. Alright, so that's to be 10 o'clock. I like it. I'm liking it. Cut back on that loss we had.
Order submitted.
Here we go. We're in the short. We need 36. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We need some more eggs because we're hungry.
Target filled.
Because we're hungry. All right. NQ early is now 2 for 3. Still red on the day, but much less than it was before. So very nice. Very nice. Irma will update that. Interesting. I have it set up having a little after 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, please get with Irma to make sure your settings are correct. Sometimes people don't click the long and the short option. The long and the short option
Order submitted.
are very important. RTY range isn't a long, but again, we don't run RTY on a Monday. For sure. So this one doesn't matter because it's on simulation anyway. Oh. It's not going to be magic anymore. What? Oh, wait. Wait, do you mean the time of the day? Oh, hold on. I'm sorry, Peter. Peter, I'm confused. I thought you meant, like, the area. You mean time? You mean time. Because you said yeah, but I said 10 to 12, meaning the level. Like 9:10 to 9:12. Okay, number one, I should be responding to you in a thread because I'm making a whole mess here. It's an everyday thing. And it's not magic. And I don't think I called it a zone. I wouldn't call something a zone because I call, like, this a zone. That's why I got confused. Just time of the day. Does that make sense? Sounds good, test daddy. Yeah. So yeah, and then after that point, you see how you feel. But it's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's not a Monday thing. It's not a today thing. It's an everyday thing. Yeah. Oh, cool. It's just something I've noticed through the years. All right, it's 10:03. Let's see what happens here. Going into the second half of the live stream. Remember, RTY isn't that long, so, well, it's actually moving lower. But I was going to say maybe RTY knows something that we don't know yet, because we're not in any other trades right now besides the RTY. Visual's in a $200 long, but it's right on the day, so I wouldn't really be excited about that. That London was so nice. Let me show you guys. Do I have it? Yeah, I have it on here. I kind of showed you before. Anyway, members, my premium members made like $900 on 2 trades last night of NQ with 1 mini. And then NQ night, which is right as the market opens, was 1 for 1, made $70. And and then gold made like 610 last night with this new, and I found this setup this weekend, and I gave it took a short. It's over here on the right. So this made $610, I believe. Yeah, $610 on 1 trade, 1 contract on gold last night around 2 a.m. So really good stuff, really good stuff. Sorry, I haven't been paying attention. I'm getting in premium. Let's go, Jackie. Yeah, if you want more questions about premium or you need more information, go to Irma. Irma is your source for everything. If you want more information on the mentorship, you can message Irma or Amy. They are super helpful. That's not possible, Brett. The standard setup is 5. Yeah, well, that's why K Lavender. Okay, Lavender, he probably knows that. Doesn't it's supposed to say? Well, doesn't, and so I don't think that goes together. So in the realized, it should, for NQ early, it would be negative. But it doesn't say, the word negative is not going to be there. It's going to be a parenthesis. If you go into the accounts tab, that's where you will see the red or the green. If it's red, that's a loss. If it's green, that's a win. Does that make sense? Yeah, you guys need to understand the difference between the stop loss and max entries. But nobody should really be touching that anyway. Yeah, sure. Sometimes with Rhythmic, it won't show the appropriate, like, I'll show you here. Hold on. So, like here, so if it's negative, but sometimes in Rhythmic, the realized doesn't show appropriately because it's going back and forth with trades. I don't know why. But then just go under the accounts tab. It's the easiest way to kind of stay on top of everything. All right, NQ's trying to move back up here. It's 10:07. I think I might still be in that visual long. Let's see. Yeah, $225. Yeah, sometimes Rhythmic is weird with its switching of things. And oh, I need to take a trade on MNQ for my 2 accounts that passed last week. 5 and 6. Oh, is there a delay in Apex again? I mean, in Rhythmic. Alright, and then I'll close these out. It got me in the trade at positive $6 on a micro. Or by the time it got in, it was like green that much. Alright. Rhythmic is kind of laggy today. Excuse me. All right, it's 10:08. Let me put this in the chat. Santa is 3 of 6, red $70. That's not bad. But Santa's also a no on Mondays. Santa is a no on Mondays, but red $70 is nothing. See, NQ tried to move back up here. If you have the magic line, where are my premium members? Because this magic line is money. The one thing that sucks, what you need to do is just put an alert around it, because if you do, I'll show you guys. So this was the 8:30.
Target filled.
Move below. Target filled on what? RTY? RTY is 2 for 2 on the day. There's someone in the group that runs RTY every day of the week. Good for him. So this was the 8:30 report. There wasn't, I don't even think there was a report, but it was 8:30 drop. And then look at this move back here. Whatever time this was. And then the one here. That was perfect. And now just this one right here. See that? This is all, and this is essentially just used as an indicator, like you're just watching it. It's not, it is an algorithm, so you could turn it on, but I find it best to just use it manually and just trade it as it comes back to the line. But that's
Order submitted.
That's part of premium.
Target filled.
Ooh, NQ hit again. NQ early hit again on the short. Nice job. Now 3 out of 4. Still red on the day, but only red a few $100s, which is not that bad. Because this long was a loss, and then win, win, win. All right. Do you guys have any questions? I'm happy that all of you are hanging out. There's 7,000 likes on TikTok. Thank you so much. If you're on YouTube, please make sure you hit that thumbs up. I'm kind of getting hungry. All of the night stuff was so good last night. Also, YM Zones
Order submitted.
was green, $100. Where's my premium for YM Zones? All right, scalpers are both in a trade. So gold and silver scalper, I haven't seen them in so long. They're both in this trade. Hold on, let me change this. Maybe I just need to put hidden. Nope, it's probably on like Sim 101 or something. So gold and silver are both in shorts on this scalper. Gold is green, $80. Well, they're essentially side by side. So let's see how these do. Nothing else is in a trade right now. You say it caught the NQ short. Did you? Yes. We got the short 3 times already. This is the NQ short. 1, 2, 3 times. And if you're a student of mine, you could have gotten the short up here at 965, which is where my chop zone is. So once you get into the algorithm, you'll notice that you also want to be in the mentorship. It's just easy, easy money. My rhythmic filled just now. That's fine. At least it filled, right? See if we can keep dropping here. Go back down to like 30s. It keeps finding support around 30, 32. Second on the NQ short early, never filled the order for me. I don't know what -4 is. Well, it's still dropping. So Foxy and Wilson, they should be filling now. They should be filled now, or at least most of them. Okay, cool. He said yes, it did. Is this live studio? I don't know what that means. Am I live? Yes. It's December 4th, Monday at 10:13 a.m. We are trading the futures market, ESNQ, CL, gold, silver, green $100 on the silver short, green $50 on the gold short. Those are here on Scalper. If you're in the standard plan, you can use Scalper after you've been in the group for a week and you take a quiz to confirm that you understand what's going on. Oh, it's on the phone. What's on? Oh, I'm on OBS Studio on YouTube, but I'm on the phone with my TikTok, correct? I want to figure out how to stream them all from OBS, but I don't really know how to do that. I'm going to have to look into it at some point. That happens. That happens. All right. Question about Rhythmic. Do we enable auto liquidate on NQ evening, ES night, NQ night? I don't know what that means. What do you mean auto liquidate? What? Where is that setting? And if you're in the group, that's something that should go to Irma. Are you in the group or no? I have no idea what the auto liquidate is. I don't think I've ever pushed that before. Hiccups. NQ is still moving down, so everyone that was in that short should have hit. Yep, so then you should reach out to Irma and ask her, send her a picture. I've never... Did you watch the overnight thing in the Helpful Info channel? So in the Helpful Info channel, we have an overnight protection video. There's a video and a document. Go and check those out before you message Irma, because this will walk you through what you should do for overnight, and then in the morning you have to turn it off. So it's going to be protection from overnight trades while you're sleeping, just in case there's anything funky that happens. You won't blow your accounts. It will just be the risk that you're allocating for those trades. But remember, it has to be the true risk. You can't just be making up, like, if the risk overnight on NQ night, say it's $500, you can't then go into Rhythmic and say, I only want to risk $200. Because if the trade pulls back at all during the trade itself and it goes red $200, they're going to take you out of that trade. And when they take you out of that trade and then it goes to target and hits target and it wins, you're not going to get that win because you had it take you out at $200. Does that make sense? Nice drop here. Silver screen, $125 on this short. Oh, I wonder, Kay Lavender, are you in this? Silver scalper in a short green, 125. GC scalper also in a short. So in the video, it explains it. You need to add up what your risk is for all setups. So if you're running ESE or NQ evening and then ES night and NQ night, what would be the worst possible situation? If all three lost, what would that look like? That's the value you should be putting in that protection from overnight. Because again, if you just put in the $500, say it's $500 for NQ evening, but then say NQ evening loses, then NQ night and ES night won't even trade because you've already hit your overnight max loss for the day, essentially. But if you're doing that
Order
to
canceled.
keep things kind of tight, that's fine. But just understand that if you lose on one, then it's not going to trade the other ones. What about Mike? Yeah, Mike, I'm on OBS on YouTube. Do you have tools of how I can do OBS on TikTok? I would love to do OBS on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all at the same time. I need to figure out how to do that. So then I don't have to, number one, utilize my phone. You guys could see the whole screen instead of just seeing part. Like on my phone, you can only see 2 charts at a time, not 4 like you can on OBS. Okay, makes 100%. Add all risk and enter that total. Yes. But then in the morning, you want to turn it off because if you're awake and you're paying attention and you have a lot of other things running that maybe have higher risk or whatever, you want to make sure that it's going to take those trades. It's really just protecting you overnight if there's some weird system issue or crash or something like that. And you don't want it to just be in like naked trades while you're sleeping, you know? So I'm glad I was able to help. All right, it's 10:18, kind of boring. NQ, so ES early, what did RTY do? RTY was 2 for 2, ES was 1 for 1, NQ had 1 loss and then it had 3 wins, so it's 3 for 4. NQ evening had a win, so that was nice, and then there were no NQ night and no ES night trades. So overnight we just had the NQ evening on the standard plan, and no other night trades. But if you were on premium, you got a lot of other night trades that were really good. So premium's green with a $600 loss today. Premium's green $1,200. So if for some reason you didn't run ES night zones, then you're green $1,800 on premium today. And that's on 1 mini per setup. 1 mini. The biggest one was NQ Waves London, which made $950. Mine only made $300, but whatever. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here a few minutes early. I have a friend in town, so we're going to go have a fun day, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Don't overtrade. I did not take any manual trades today, so students, you take this as an example. Some days just aren't days that we need to be chasing or trading, so, and this is clearly one of them. If you caught the 830 short, that was beautiful. After that, there really wasn't great opportunity, so. All right, I'll see you. Jen will be live from 1 to 2 p.m. on TikTok only. I will be live tomorrow morning at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Yep, it's not a big deal. We'll just do it again tomorrow. Remember, if we're forcing stuff, it's never going to work out, and it's never going to be a good outcome. So we need to just wait, and when it comes, it will be great. So I'm just going to be ready for that. All right, have a good day. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you guys later. Jen will be live at 1 o'clock. Bye.